Goldilocks in the forest. Once upon a time, there was a curious little girl named Goldilocks who loved adventures. Goldilocks found a cute little house in the middle of the woods. Who lives here? She wondered. Goldilocks was so hungry, she saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table.
Yummy!
Next, she wanted to sit down, but the chairs weren't quite right. Goldilocks felt sleepy, so she looked for a bed to rest. Meanwhile, the 3 bears came home. They were very surprised. Goldilocks woke up, saw the bears, and ran away as fast as she could. Goldilocks learned a lesson. It's important to respect others' homes and not touch things that aren't yours.